Yeah, good morning everyone. I've come out to lovely Frinton. It's freezing cold morning. It's the 21st of November and time is about just after 7, 10 past 7. But it looks like it could be a lovely sunrise, so I've come out to see what we can capture. So come and join me. So I'm going to set up in front of the clock tower here, and my idea is to try and get an image of the sunrise in the background with the clock tower. So I've already got a time lapse going there, and just looking directly in front of me, there's virtually a full moon, which is looking lovely. And there is a bank of cloud though over there on the horizon. So I'm not too sure how much of a sunrise we're going to see, but I'm going to set up anyway and just see what we can capture. Just as I've arrived, there's some people with some horses. Look like they're going to go for a ride on the beach. And yeah, I heard some of them saying happy birthday to one of the girls there. So maybe it's a treat for her. Okay, let's see what we can do. I'll get set up now and I'll come back to you in a while. Right, so I've set up the camera now, and the way I've composed it, I'm using this little pathway here. Don't know if you can see on the camera. Let me just see if I can flip you around. So I'm using this kind of pathway here. If I just bring that exposure up. I'm using this pathway here as a leading line to the clock tower. And as you see, we can see the sea in the background with what hopefully is going to be a sunrise. But I'm going to take a shot anyway, because we've got some nice colour in the sky. I'm going to take a bracket image. If I bring the exposure right down, you'll see what I mean there. We've got some nice colour in the sky, so I'm going to take a bracket image, 2 stops either side, and I'll put that up on the screen shortly. Before leaving, I decided to come down to the beach, and I have to say it's absolutely amazing. It's a lovely sunny clear blue sky. Doesn't seem that cold really, especially with the sun on you. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've taken a couple of shots, but the tide was coming in. I got right down to the sea there, and the tide is definitely coming in. So I just took a couple of shots looking back up towards the beach, and there's some lovely different colour beach huts up there. So I took photos of those, and I'll put them on the screen at the end. So I'm going to have a little walk around and just see if anything else catches my eye. But and it really is a beautiful morning. So hopefully come back to you soon. Hi guys, I walked a little bit further down the beach, and what caught my eye is these this kind of breakwater that you see behind me here, and in the background there's the windmills on the horizon as well. So I thought I'd set up and try long exposure. So I've set the camera up. It's in bulb mode. And I'm running a 2-minute exposure to try and turn that sea into a nice smooth ice skating rink, and I'll put that up on the screen now. Right, so I think that's about it really. The sun's well up now. I've got some decent shots, I think. Sunrise wasn't what I really wanted, but yeah, you just got to make the most of the conditions, haven't you? But I got some nice footage as well. I got the drone up. I took a couple of drone shots. Got some nice footage along the beach. So I hope you're going to enjoy that. There's also hopefully a time lapse. So if that's worked, I'll put that up on the screen as well at the end. And I think I'm going to head off now down into Clacton and maybe grab some breakfast in the Wetherspoons. So with that, so thank you for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.